Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Before we get started with the video, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and okay, let's get on with it. So today, as you can tell from the title, I am doing passion twists. I've already started, so I started out by sectioning off my hair, putting it into small boxes and using elastic band. So I am using the rubber band method to do these. I just find them easier to install, especially as I'm doing it myself. And I also find that I just like the look of it better because this way you can start the twist from the very root of your hair. Whereas if you start off by braiding, then you kind of have to see a little bit of the braid and then you see the twist. So I just prefer this method. So what I'm going to do is basically use edge control just to make it look all slick and nice. And I'm using 2 elastic bands per box. So I'm using 2 just in case one pops because I'm using a lot of product in my hair. I plan to have these in for quite some time. So I'm just using 2 elastic bands just in case they pop. I know someone might ask as well, but I'm wrapping the elastic band round about 8 to 10 times. Initially, when I done it before, I wrapped the elastic band maybe like 5 times because I didn't want it to be too loose, but I found that it's better to do it tighter because it holds better and it stops the twist from kind of slipping down away from your natural hair. So it makes it last longer and it's not too tight. It's just tight enough for it to look good and feel good. Is there anything else I need to tell you guys? So I'm using 2 pieces. I am going to link the hair that I've used down below. I'm using 2 curls per twist, but then when I got up to the top, I kind of filled it out a little bit by doing maybe like a row of 3 strands. So as you can see here, I'm using only 2. I put edge control at the top just to help it to kind of slide through and stay together so that when I twist it has a neater finish. I don't want to talk for too long, but basically all you're going to do is attach the hair, close the latch hook and slide it through. You might have to give it a little bit of a wiggle just to help it get through because obviously you've got the elastic band there and you don't want to be ripping through your hair, but just take your time and kind of wiggle it through and it should come through fine. If you want your hair to be longer, a bit like mine, don't put the curly hair in half. Bring one end of it longer so that one part of it is shorter and another part of it is longer. That way you get more length out of the hair. I do also separate the curls just to give it a fuller look and to make it more bouncy. But it's up to you what you do. It doesn't make a massive difference, but it makes a little bit of a difference for me personally. I used edge control in my hair just to kind of try and keep it stuck to the twists. Can also use gel. In some bits I did use some got to be gel because my hair was kind of poking through. My hair is quite short still, so I did have to kind of put in a little extra effort just to keep my hair in the twists. But yeah, I'm just gonna let the video play out at this point. I think I've explained enough. I'm gonna say again, make sure you subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.